Hello and welcome dear students. This video is regarding paragraph writing language support. In this video you will find the supporting language and the task for writing a paragraph, that is a visual impetus or the visual cue. Now let us begin with the language support. We have the list of adjectives to describe people. That means the revised the curriculum of CBSE specifies describing a person, writing a paragraph describing a person. So let us look at the vocabulary that we need to know for writing the description of a person. Adjective. Now this is actually physical description. Adjectives for describing general appearance. The words are beautiful, pretty, elegant, funny, cute, handsome, gorgeous, ugly, attractive. Now if you want to describe someone's age, the words are young, middle-aged and old. You can also use words like infant and etc. Describing someone's build. Build is that body. If it is though there are technical terms also like ectomorph, endomorph and mesomorph, but if you are describing, you can definitely in basic terms you can say well built, plump, thin, fat or slim. If you want to describe someone's height, you can say short heighted, medium height or tall height. Adjectives for describing someone's eyes. Blue eyes, brown eyes, small eyes, round eyes, big eyes, oval eyes. And if you want to say wearing glasses also you can say. Now how to use this? You can say that in his deep set round eyes gazed at me as if wanting to share the experience. So that is how you use when you are constructing or using the words for eyes. Describing someone's face. Round face, oval face, square face, long face. If you want to say, for example, the wavy hair around her round or framed her round face or oval face, giving her the best appearance or making it attractive to one's eyes. Adjectives to describe a person's nose. It can be a straight nose, hooked nose, long nose, a small nose, even tiny nose, turned up nose, beaked, eagle beaked nose, kind of nose, shaped, eagle shaped nose. Describing someone's mouth. Large mouth, small mouth. If you're talking about lips, you can say pursed lips. Adjective to describe a person's lips is full lips, curved lips, thin lips. If it is tight lips, tight, you can say tight lips person who doesn't talk much. Pursed lips means showing a kind of emotion expression. Describing someone's ears. Large ears, small ears, sticking ears. That means the ears is sticking to one's head. This is a visual support material for you to remember to use these are kind of words: young, middle-aged, old, etc. For the build, as I've mentioned, well built, plump, thin, fat. And height, I've also guided you: short, medium height, tall height. Straight nose. For eyes, large, brown, black, different colors I've mentioned: round face, oval face, long face, square faced. Small ears, large ears for ears. Mouth, large mouth and small mouth. For lips, you can say full lips, curved lips, thin lips, and I also added one pursed lips. Now the task. Describe the boy in the picture. Now do remember one thing, that if you are describing the physical features or the appearance, do not get misled by what the boy is holding, what is the surrounding, what is the story behind it. Do not move into those realms. The boy appeared to be holding something in the hand. The second picture. Have your own ideas about the picture. Moving on to the third picture. the expression on the face, the eyes, the nose, lips, cropped hair, the clothes if you want to mention, and the fourth picture. The boy holding something, selling, look at his clothes, look at his... Taking you once more through the picture. Fourth. Third, you may pause the picture and have a look at it. You may pause the video and have a look at the picture. You may pause the video and have a look at the picture carefully. What is the boy holding? His ears, his eyes, his teeth, the expression on his face. This is the first picture. The second picture. The third picture. And the fourth picture. How to construct this paragraph? For paragraph writing, remember that there is a format. You need to write the heading. After the heading, begin immediately with the paragraph about the description of the person. Do not try building a story around it before it, because you do not have scope for word limit. It is only 100 to 120 words. You hardly describe the person. Your word limit, you have exhausted your word limit. You may begin with, say for example, I met a boy whose small eyes, deep set in his face, were wanting to tell me a story. His black eyes looked at me, were fixed at me, and ensnared me or captivated me and caught my attention to look at him. He was holding a few roses in his hand and he appeared to be selling them. His open mouth and his open eyes were wanting to say a lot more than what his hands or his clothes would say. His cropped hair appeared that his cropped hair showed his scalp. His pursed lips showed that he didn't want to talk much, but he was holding back a lot. I hope this gives you some idea to begin writing a paragraph. Thank you so much.